Yo, what's up boys? Welcome back to the video on Rain FG. It's your boy, Decade CS here back again. We have 500 coins in the balance. We're going to try to run it up. If you guys want to support me on Rain, go to the top, go to deposit, go to the referrals, and type in my code DecadeCS all caps. Apply for 7 days, help me a lot. You'll get a 5% bonus to the site. So if you put 100 coins, you get an extra 5 coins. So yeah, also you've entered my 500 coin leaderboard. It's going up ASAP. It'll be on Rain. Also I have a website coming soon. And also I stream on Kick every day, so you can see me there, get some free bottles, some promo codes, and even join the Discord as well. That's where I drop all the free bottles and promo codes as well. So yeah boys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna try to run this up to 5k. I'm joined by my friend. He's gonna be calling my bottles. My guy Zadechi.
What's good, what's good?
I'm not screen sharing, my bad. 1 second boys, we just wait for Zadechi to call us a battle.
Nah, I'm about, hold on. Three-way crazy.
We always start with 3 crazy.
Yeah, got to. What's the battle saying? Let me have a look. 500, alright. 2 5% faded.
W.
2 switcheroos. 2 graveyards.
Yeah, 3 crazy, right?
Yep.
I mean, these cases, I love the 5% faded W case. 5% faded is good. Switcheroo is like 2% for like, I think it's like 5% for a knife. No, for a knife, for a fucking pistol, and like 1% for a knife.
Yeah.
Okay.
Middle guy pull.
I think we lost this one.
Yeah, unless you get that nice 1%.
That's the middle guy pulls 1%.
Yep.
Nope.
Unfortunate.
Nope, boys. What we're doing now, Zadechi?
Alright. 2v2. Normal.
Yeah.
Nuclear. Yep, budget 10% knife. Pyramids.
You know what we're gonna do this video? Every time we win, we double.
Alright. Alright,
Yeah.
let me keep it small then. Alright, let me keep it small. Just nuclear and budget 10% knife.
Really?
Yeah, we'll keep it small for now.
Bro, that's so cheap.
It is, but if we're doubling, and every time we win, then
You gotta take risks though, bro.
you do, but
It's only double, it's not fucking 5x.
it's not, but gotta keep it.
Oh my god.
Fire. Max ball.
80?
It's not bad.
50. Oh, what the?
That's
You know what that means?
double it up. Alright then.
2x.
Ooh. Construction.
We lost.
What?
Alright, we're doing now.
Construction.
W fucking case.
Nuclear. And a pyramids. Should be about double.
What mode?
Always crazy.
Crazy. Crazy work. I mean, if we win this year, it's gonna be fucking crazy. I'm if double it.
Should be. Nuclear's not it.
Nah, we lost. Like, just so you know, you lost when you hit in this area. You're not hitting anything else. You're not hitting triple rain spin.
Yeah.
Let's at least see what it would be. This case is so fucking good. That's a lot. It's like 300.
That's a whole lot of money.
Yeah, two fucking 30, mate. That's fucking crazy. What
Alright,
we're doing now?
let me see. He said, do you want to take risks?
Yeah.
Let's go for a little bit of a risk. Alright, go with...
Slap it on me, bro. No, that sounds weird as fuck. Sorry.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No homo. No homo.
Catacombs
Alright.
and a Jorgo
Catacombs.
on a...
Jorgo. Yeah.
Yeah, on a 3v3. Crazy though. I feel like you've been pulling too much.
For real. We got a fucking
Someone's in.
enemy in here, bro. This guy's gonna steal our money.
Yeah, he's about to pull on both cases.
I hope.
That's a terrible start.
You said we weren't gonna pull, bro.
I said you were pulling too much, so you had to switch it up because I thought you weren't gonna pull.
Oh my god, it's top item.
Oh, that's so much.
I'm okay.
Oh my god. Terrible.
That's a fucking crazy win for him, bro.
Oh my days.
It's 300 fucking quid each, bro.
Jesus Christ. Wow. Well, there was the risk and it didn't pay out.
At least it paid out for one person.
Yeah, at least there was no bots.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me see, what's this? Yeah, we can do
Yeah,
this.
so what the fuck's that
It's an
mean?
interesting one. Alright, monochrome, low battery, and swerve. On... I feel like as soon as I'm switching up, you're gonna miss.
We're doing
I feel like I gotta stick with a crazy, three-way crazy.
W. This is a good battle for crazy, to be honest. He's joining all battles. We have an enemy. He's literally making us lose. Watch us pull top item. He's fucked.
He's out of it. He's out of it. It's alright. You just juiced him 400, so you're cool.
Ass.
It's not terrible.
Fuck.
Would have been nice if they pulled sticker there.
We just lose that.
I'm not sure.
We won.
Nah, we won. Lovely.
W win. W. Oh shit! We've double down.
That's a double. That's a 120 battle.
No, it's fucking double. Look, it's there.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah.
Oh, right. That makes sense. I thought you were talking about double the price of the.
And we lost again.
What's it called?
Oh.
It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We won the battle, yeah. So we're gonna double anyway.
Okay.
Alright, you ready for this one?
Mhm.
Metal Monkey.
Okay.
Millie.
Yeah.
And then 5% rifle.
5% rifle. In a what?
On 3v3 normal this time.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Your enemy's not drawing back on this one.
I called what's too fast.
Yeah.
I mean, 5% risky as fuck. This is not paying.
Seeing it, we need Metal Monkey to be hitting, man.
Oh my god, double.
Horror.
If you're doing crazy mode, bro. If you're doing crazy mode.
Horror.
If you're doing crazy
How much
mode, bro.
is
This is like 2k. This is gonna be 2k.
Nah, no way. No way.
That's 1.3k.
Holy shit.
1.3k, yeah. That's fucking crazy.
Wow.
Bro, we're feeling crazy right there, bro. Come on.
Gonna have to take down the battles a little bit here.
No, we're all in, bro.
We're doing an all in, are we?
Yeah, all in.
Alright, 160, let me see. Lie okay case.
Yeah.
And then Metal Monkey again.
Yeah.
And then how much we got?
Like 20 coins.
30 left. 20. Alright, cool.
Let me guess, King G.
In fact, yeah, go on. Why not?
What mode?
Ooh.
Lively, fuck.
Go for 2v2.
Normal crazy.
Standard again, standard again.
Alright, I got you. Alright,
My
boys.
calls for not beating it.
We're doing an all. And he joined again. Bro, he wants to steal our money,
wow.
bro. He wants to steal our money on God.
Wow. At least it goes to a real person. Stay. No.
Round for our side.
Yes, nice.
Round for our side, they pull fucking on. They pull the same item, what the fuck?
It's not terrible, it's not terrible.
Okay.
You're up.
We need to hit in the last case, bro. And we won. We made like. We didn't make money. We made money. We made 20 coins.
Gotta double it, gotta double it.
Oh fuck. Green.
It's cool, go to doubles. Or upgrade even.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, upgrade. Yeah, true. 2x. Come on, bro. We can't win one. We haven't won one battle. Or one upgrade. I'm gonna head to redepot.
5 minutes later.
Alright, boys, we're back. I hit a redepot. We're gonna fucking not lose 500 this time. Bitchy's gonna call a massive W battle. So yeah, Tetchy, what do you fucking want to do, bro?
Alright, hear me out. 1 slacks, 1 float, 1 nanotech, and then a Benny.
Yeah, you've lost your mind, but okay.
Yeah, you're telling me a big battle, so. Alright, 3v3. Normal.
Alright, boys. 275 coin battle. We need to get back to 1. Schnecky, bro. Are you serious, man?
Oh, he's in.
Schnecky, join battle, bro. Are you serious for now? We both pulled.
Okay. Go for you, go for you.
Okay, how much is that?
W, nice.
800.
Pretty big, pretty big.
I hit again. Oh my god, we're chilling.
Nice, nice, nice.
We're chilling. Come on, boys. Show us a fucking max item. I mean, that's 700. We take that every day.
Not bad. Alright, the Benny.
Well, we take that.
Not bad, not bad,
We
not
fucking
bad.
take that. I can't lie. We take that shit. 700 coins. Let's go,
Huge.
boys.
Back up to 1k like you were saying.
Do you want to end it here? Or you want to go one more time?
I don't know, I think the whole video idea was doubling the win.
Oh, fuck. 700, bro.
740.
Oh my god. 740. Should I do it?
This is a make or break.
Oh my god, this is so cooked. This is so cooked. Oh my god, this is so risky. This is gonna be the end. I can't lie. If I lose this, I'm ending. Okay?
This is the big finale.
This is the big finale, boys. 740 coins, 2x upgrade. If I see a win here, I'm laughing, bro.
You've got hit, you've got hit.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Slow.
Yeah!
Nice, let's go.
Let's fucking go, boys. That's a W ending to the video. We're on 1.7k. 740, 2x upgrade. Win that shit. Alright, boys, that's gonna be the fucking end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. And we ended on 1.7k. If you guys want to support me on Rain, go to top, go to deposits, and then click here. Yeah. Click on my referral code, enter DecadeCS, apply for 7 days. We get a 5% bonus. If you do beat 100, you get an extra 5. And be entered in my 500 coin wager leaderboard, boys. Alright, boys, I'm gonna dip. If you guys enjoyed, fucking crazy risky battles. I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.